Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about string object in JavaScript, part of web technologies course. The string object in JavaScript is a built-in object that provides a variety of methods for working with strings of text. It is not a constructor, so you cannot create instances of it. Instead, you use the string object as a namespace to access its methods. Here are some examples of the methods provided by string object. String.length returns the number of characters in a string. String.charactIndex returns the character at the specified index. String.concat string1, string2 concatenates two or more strings. String.indexOf returns the index of the first occurrence of a search value, starting at an optional start index. String.lastIndex returns the index of the last occurrence of a search value, starting at an optional start index. String.slice returns a new string containing a portion of the original string. String.substring returns a new string containing a specified number of characters from the original string, starting at a specified index. String.substring returns a new string containing the characters of the original string between two specified indices. String.toLowercase returns a new string with all characters in lowercase. String.toUppercase returns a new string with all characters in uppercase. String.trim removes white spaces from both ends of a string. For example, here's how you could use string.toUppercase method to convert a string to uppercase. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.